Good morning, my sweet bumblebees. I'm Gigi Mamel, and this is Living a Gigi Ma Style. This morning, I am joining a collab called Show Us Your Elves. Thing is, I didn't have an elf. Cause most of everybody has those Harry Potter house elves or other little elf dolls. Well, I didn't have one. So guess what? I made one. Please welcome Elliot, my tiny little house elf. Now, what do you think? He's made out of polyclay. Now, the theme to Show Us Your Elves is birds. And I was thinking, the only kind of birds I have in my house are owls. Like owl knickknacks. And then I had to go like that. Let me show you my bird theme. Okay? Hang on 1 second. Welcome to my birds. Elliot, would you like to introduce this young man? Well, this here is Frizzle. He is a bantam hybrid mutant rooster. Why is he a mutant? Because he's got 5 toes on each foot, and he's about half the size of his brothers and sisters. So there's one bird. And we're going to come down here, and Elliot, who is this bird. So, what'd you think of my bird theme? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you think that little Mr. Elliot is cute. One of these days, I'll get one of those elf dolls. I just didn't have time, and I don't really have room right now. But thank you for joining me today. Have an awesome morning, guys. Go check out everybody else's Show Us Your Elves videos, okay? I love you all. From Gigi and Elliot, be happy, be safe, be sensible, and do your very, very best to behave. Bye, guys.